Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make screen brighter on Android. Here are the steps to make your screen brighter on Android device. First, unlock your Android phone. Use your PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face unlock to access the home screen. Swipe down from the top right of the screen. This opens the quick settings panel. Look for the brightness slider. It usually appears as a horizontal bar with the sun icon beside it. Drag the slider to the right. Move it toward the right to increase screen brightness. Tap the gear icon to open settings, located in the top right of the quick settings panel. Go to display settings. Scroll and tap on display or screen brightness. Tap brightness level. Here, you'll see a similar slider that lets you adjust the brightness manually and adjust it to the right to further strengthen the brightness. Turn off adapted brightness. If enabled, it may auto adjust brightness. Toggle it off for full manual control. Use the extra brightness or high brightness mode if available. Some devices have this option under display settings for even brighter screens. Check for power saving mode. Go to battery settings and disable or make sure to turn off battery saver, which may dim your screen. Disable night or blue light filter. Clean your screen. Dirt or smudges can reduce screen visibility. Gently clean it with a microfiber cloth. Go to outdoors and test visibility. Brightness settings may look different in sunlight. Adjust as needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.